Alright man, I'm about to head out to the bait shop right now. I'm gonna grab some bait. We're gonna do probably grab some sardines and maybe some pile worm. We're gonna do a comparison, see which one the stripers love more. Hopefully we can catch some fish, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what we rocking with today. Let's see what the stripers gonna be rocking with. Either the sardines or the pile worm, man. We'll see. We out here at the river right now. Gonna be doing some striper fishing. See if they like sardines or do they like pile worm. So this guy right here. Oh, look at that. So nasty. Right there. Oh, see that? Oh. All right. We're gonna cast this bad boy out there. See if the stripers love this. see what we got here. Get like a small one. But, oh yeah, little guy. Little dude with a big appetite. Alright, I'm gonna throw some more pile worm on this. Man, these guys are slimy. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna rig up some sardine now. Got one already filleted here. Flip the guts around. That in there. Make sure you get your magic thread and get all the guts and juices, get all that good stuff. You know what I mean? You don't want that thing to be smelly. Stripers, they love it. Only bad thing right now when it's hot, a lot of shakers. So a lot of the big stripers, they're down deep. They usually don't bite till late at night. Or, oh, whoa, 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 you see that? Whoa, whoa. Oh, mother pan. All right, okay. Oh, he's on there. Oh, I don't know, I think I missed it. Dang. That was a super good bite. How did I not get that? Oh, I did get him. Little dude. I was like, man, did y'all see that bite? It's in the middle of rigging my thing up. Let that little guy go. Man, I was in the middle of putting my bait on. Alright, but we're gonna switch over to sardine right now. So, alright, so this is the one I just rigged up right now. We're gonna put this guy on. So, that was a good bite though. Y'all seen that, right? Alright, let's give sardine a try. Let's see how they like these. So the pile worm, we got like 2 or 3 shakers so far. But let's try sardine a bit. Freaking hit a tree. So I'm gonna recast that one. There you go. You want to fillet it right there. Get a nice fillet going. Wish I had a cutting board, but whatever. All that good old guts right there. Oh, y'all see that? He's already biting on the rod right now. Y'all see that? They love sardine, especially this time of year. But you know what? It's a small fish, so I'm gonna let him bite just a bit. Oh, okay, all right, never mind. Nah, it's a shaker. You could tell they're shakers because the way they bite. They bite a little aggressively. Big stripers, man, they either just take it or they bite really gentle. So I always have 2 leaders going at once so that way I don't waste a lot of time. So while one's out there, I always have another one prepared. That way I can switch it out real fast, you know, especially when it gets dark. wash your hands. Yo, man, I swear, dude, they don't bite right now, man. I'm gonna have to just go to SF Supermarket before it closes, man. I'm just trying to get me a striper. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all, but yeah, dude. Come on, fishy, fishy. Alright guys, I decided to pack my bags and it's time to head out because I started hearing weird people making weird noises and stuff like that. And things can get a little dangerous out here in the Sac River at night. I've heard stories of people getting robbed, getting attacked and things like that, so decided to pack my bags and leave. But between the pile worm and the sardine, the pile worm definitely had the advantage, but I wouldn't throw it out too early because the shakers will get to it before the big one does. So if I were to use pile worm, I'd use it later on, which is like the time that I'm leaving now or a little later. But sardine definitely had a lot of bites. Definitely couldn't get any of them because I think when I use sardine, I like to rig my bait pretty big. So a lot of the small ones, their mouths are way too small. They can't swallow the hook, and I use a size 7 hook because I'm definitely going for bigger striper. But yeah, man, between the two, if you don't mind paying for pile worm, I definitely go with the pile worm. But the the sardine, they're just as good too, man. But if you guys enjoyed the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, everyone, stay safe. Peace.